Hey, Stephanie here with iGuardSecuritySystem.com. I want to talk to you a little bit about how to connect two iGuard units together. We use something we call a master-slave configuration. Traditional RS-232 or weekend-based systems are limited in the number of devices which may be connected together, and adding a device into an existing system could be cumbersome. Our TCP/IP architecture allows a virtually unlimited number of iGuard units to operate together using the same database. Additionally, adding a new unit into an existing network is simple and quick. First, set unique IP addresses into your units so you can access each of them individually through your network. Then you can designate one unit as the master and the rest as slaves. This way, when a fingerprint is registered at any iGuard unit within your network, the template is automatically sent up to the master and then back down to all of the slaves in your iGuard network. This method of communication between iGuard units serves several purposes. Because matching is performed at the device, if your network goes down for any reason, all of the iGuard units of your network will still continue to function, allowing access. When network communication resumes, the units will automatically synchronize with the master, sending all registration and access log data to the central database. Because fingerprint templates are stored at the door, the more iGuard units you have in your network, the more copies of your data you have available in the event of a failure. This decreases the likelihood of data loss significantly. To set one unit as a slave to another, start at the terminal status screen of the device you want to designate as the slave. On the left-hand navigation bar, under Administration, click Terminal Setup. You may be prompted for a username and password. In the top section labeled Network Setting, select the radio button labeled Slave Unit and specify the master IP address. Scroll to the bottom and click Save. You will see a Change Settings confirmation screen while the unit reboots. In about 30 seconds, when the unit is rebooted, click the button labeled Click Here to reload. Notice that the left-hand navigation bar is now the minimal slave navigation bar, and on the right-hand side, the terminal ID front door has the designation Slave next to it. On the left-hand navigation bar under Terminals, click Browse Master Unit. Now select Terminal List from the left-hand navigation bar under the heading Administration. You should now see a list of all iGuard units in your network. The master is at the top with the designation M next to its terminal ID. Below that, slaves are listed, along with their firmware version, description, IP address, and status. The front door is now a slave to the server room door, and they will share their data. For more information about master-slave configuration and for the lowest prices on iGuard hardware, visit iGuardSecuritySystem.com today.